Hi guys, it's Michael Litka. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded a blog for quite some time, but all my free time nowadays I spend studying for my ISTD qualification. And that's what I want to talk to you about in this blog. ISTD stands for Imperial Society of Teachers of Dancing, and it is an organization that provides exams and qualifications for many fields of dancing. Ballroom is just one of the faculties. There is a theater faculty and there are many others. Now, what the ISTD exam is about. First of all, the exam you can take in two different styles. So we can take a ballroom exam, and we have the ballroom technique book, which is just one book for all 5 ballroom dances, or we can take a Latin exam. And Latin exam obviously contains of 5 Latin dances, and unfortunately for the Latin we have 5 books for each dance, and it's a lot of studying. I have taken my first ISTD exam last year, and I got the associate in ballroom dances, so I pretty much know half of this book. You can take the exam in 4 different levels. So we can start with a student teacher exam, then we have associate level, then licentiate, and then a fellow. And each time you take the exam, you are being tested on all the levels up to a level that you're taking. So for example, if someone is taking licentiate, they can be tested on the figures from student teacher, associate, and licentiate. It is not, you don't pass exam in parts. In Latin is exactly the same, with the difference that we have 5 different books. Now, the exam itself is quite interesting, because the first part of the exam is a dancing with a partner. It's either your coach or maybe your colleague that is also taking an exam, which actually this is my case. And you can dance leader's role and follower's role. You definitely must do a leader's role, and followers is optional. I like to do it because as a teacher I find it very useful to know obviously ladies' steps. The routines that you need to demonstrate in the first part should contain most of the steps from certain syllabus. So by the time you're doing associate, like I'm doing, they are quite long. It takes around, I would imagine, a minute and a half for each dance. So by the time I do it 10 times, 5 as a leader, 5 as a follower, we are already 10-12 minutes into the exam. After that, you have a solo dancing part. The solo dancing part is all about you showing the knowledge of the figures and being able to dance them with music. So for example, the examiner will ask you to dance certain figures in a certain order and then play music, and then you have to do them.
Keep us down for me, lady. Change places right to left, and then change places left to right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Good.
I would suggest to prepare yourself before this part and actually go through those figures without the music first and ask the examiner to wait for you just in case you have any questions or problems or you have to get the right alignment. After this part is the third part, and that's the technical part, where you get a lot of questions about footwork, foot position, alignment, amounts of turns, loads of other questions that examiner can ask.
quick, 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 quick. Thank you. It is left foot back, count 1, and transfer your right foot, count 2. Left foot forwards, push yourself to finish the left to the side, count 1 and 2.
Yesterday I took my test exam with my coach, and the footage that you've just seen is from this exam. If you have any questions about ISTD exams, just write me a comment, and if I don't know it, I'll ask my coach, who has been preparing teachers for many years for these exams, and he's a pretty knowledgeable guy. My real exam is on the 24th of July, so please wish me luck. I hope you enjoyed this blog, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now. And I hope I'll be able to do another blog before my actual exam on the 24th of July. If not, I'll definitely do one straight after and tell you how I've done. Have a good day. Bye bye.